Hi, my name's Keita, welcome to my channel. This is the first vlog that I've ever done and I was getting really busy and I've been putting off making a vlog for a long time, so I just thought I'd just take you along on my busy day with me, so hopefully it works out and that you like it. Got a few things going on today. I'm moving house really soon, so I've got to pack most things in the house today. I also have some work things to do, so I've got to prep for a holiday pop-up shop, and what else have I got? Oh, and I also have to record a meditation for my Creative Spirit Circle membership group. Wish me luck, hopefully we can get through it together. I should also probably tell you what we're going to do first. So I think first of all I'm going to do the meditation because I know that's done and then that's out of the way and the members can enjoy that today. And then I might go to the coffee shop after to distract myself / reward myself before I actually do anything else. Okay. Okay, so I've now finished recording and editing and uploading that meditation, and I've also emailed my members to let them know that that's live, and I also need to email the rest of my email list today. I don't know if I'm going to get that done, might have to wait till tomorrow. I've got too much to do, and as you can hear by my voice, maybe I'm a bit croaky and sick. Still, I was sick last weekend, and I'm still not feeling great. So, but I got a lot to do, and croaky voice aside, want to come procrastinate with me and go to the coffee shop? If it's not too weird for me to film in there. And I also realised that when I usually record videos, I have my, this blue snowball microphone, this one. I usually have that plugged in to record audio separately, but I can't do this with this camera. So, or when I'm moving you around, so hopefully it doesn't sound too bad. Let me know if it's terrible and I need to get another microphone, just let me know in the comments. Okay, let's go.
Well, I'm all for Christmas, all the happy smiles and the wishes, and I want it all from the lights to the mistletoe. Tell me one thing, is there anything that you're missing? I will keep you warm as soon as you remove that snow. Whatever we do, we will be alright. These holiday wonders will open your mind. May all your wishes tonight come true.
I just got in from getting a cup of coffee and having some lunch. It was an early lunch, it was 11, I think. I think it's about 11 now. I haven't looked at the clock for a bit, but it's around that. And now I've got no excuse to not crack on with things because I really need to get done. I need to get packed. I'm a week behind where I thought I would be. I've got 3 kids. It's really hard for me during the week to get everything done that I need to get done that's kind of to do with moving, where I've got to get everything out of the closets, purge everything, get rid of stuff, because I just like to do that before I move, ever, because I don't like the idea of moving and lifting stuff that you just don't need anymore, and it's a good excuse to have a clear out. So that's what I was doing 2 weekends ago, and I've been doing a little bit this week. It's not impossible while the kids are home, but it's a lot slower to get things done, so I'm hoping I can get through a lot of stuff today, but I'm being very ambitious with what I'm trying to get done actually. So I'll show you my list. This was my list for yesterday. As you can see, most of this I actually did today. Well, these two things at the bottom I did today. So I still got to do this, and this was my list for today, which I haven't done any of that yet. So lots and lots and lots of things, which I'm probably not going to do because I'm always overly ambitious. Wish we luck. We'll see how we get on. What am I going to do first? I don't know. I don't even know what I'm going to do first. I think I've decided what I'm going to do. Hair's gone in a bun, so now I feel organised, like I'm in business. So I do need to prepare for this pop-up shop that I'm doing. Amongst all my mess of everything is such a mess while I'm moving, and it's, as you can tell, I'm probably getting a little bit overwhelmed. But I need to just like tackle one thing at a time. So what I'm thinking is I'm going to prepare a box to take up to this pop-up shop, because it's not actually going to be me that's going to be manning that pop-up shop for the day. That's on December 17th, and it's at Stay Wild in Pemberton, which is the town that we're actually moving to, which is 2.5 hours away from where we are right now. Right now I'm in North Vancouver in BC, Canada. And I don't know why I said it like that. Ta-da, BC, Canada. It's great here. It's really great. Yeah, so I'll just show you some of the prints that I'll be putting up there and some of the items I've got to sell there. I hope I have enough, but it's only a short, I think it's 2 till 6, so it's only a few hours long. So I might be under-prepared or over-prepared. I just don't know how it's going to go. So I'll show you what we've got. I've made up these 2 boxes. Well, there's another little bin under here. And this is where I've put everything that I've like pre-printed. So I've got some stickers. So these ones, I think I'm just going to do these 2 designs, and I'm not packing all of them, just like a few. So I'm thinking maybe even if they do sell, I've still got some that I can package up for Christmas orders if I get those in. I've also got some magnets, just of like, this is a goddess series that I did. So there's 4 designs of those. I've just put 2 of each design in. And I've got some like mini prints. I call them mini prints, but maybe they're not that mini. They're kind of half letter size. So I guess A5-ish size. And that's, what did I put? 2, I think I put 2 of each design of this fairy, like these 3 fairy paintings. And then in here I've got some like letter size prints, so they fit nicely in an 8x10 frame. That's why I've got these that size. So I've got a few of the goddess ones, and then I've also got, this is one of the most popular ones, so I thought I'd include some of those. That's like a moonlit ocean one. And then I've got some other moon ones here, like moon phase prints. And I've just included one each of these star sign constellation prints that I've done. So I'm thinking just one of each design, because focus camera, because I don't know how many I should reprint. So, but I guess they can always order them from my online shop, because I'll be local there soon anyway. And so that's what's in that bin. And then in this bin I've got, spilling everything all over the floor. I've got some postcards. So there's seven postcards in each pack of these flower design ones. So I've just kind of included a few packets. And then I've got some calendars. So these are the 2020 calendars. These are designs that I did for Inktober, which you might have seen some of these speed drawings on my channel, if you want to check those out you can. But it's got all the different designs, and then yeah. My camera seems really slow to focus today, I don't know why. So yeah, that's those. And then I've got some more of the same Inktober prints. So these Inktober prints, this series that I did for Inktober. So I've got kind of one of each, or two of each actually. I think I put two of each design in. So there's quite a few of those as well. So I'm hoping I think that's probably more than enough. But like I say, never know how these things go. So I'm gonna package all these up, put them in a box, and then I can send those to Leela, who is gonna be manning that pop-up shop for me in Pemberton on the 17th. So I just realised as I was packing that box that I need to give Stay Wild a price list for the items to put on the table. So I'm just going to quickly design one of those and print that out and put that in the box too. I still have some other prints that I wanted to include. I don't know if I will get to it or not because I am caught up on orders at the moment, but I don't know if I'm going to get more Christmas orders this week. If I get too busy, I might not have time to print those. So I might just send what I've got right now. Okay, so I created the price list and printed that on some card, and it's just plain black and white, so I hope that looks okay. If there was any colour, I've just packed some washi tape so that excuse my nails by the way, I already packed my nail polish remover, so yeah, that's been there for almost a week. Glamorous, I know. Anyway, I digress. Yeah, so I've made the price list and I updated my square reader. I'll show you that in a minute. I think I put it in here. Hopefully I did put it in here. There it is. So when I go to markets, I use this this little square reader. It's so nifty. You might have seen them before at markets and stuff if you've been to some recently or over the past few years. I think it's quite a while they've been out with these now, but you just plug this into your phone and then you can use this to swipe people's cards, so they don't have to be carrying cash for you to take payments from them, which is awesome. So I'm going to give that to Leela so that she can log into the account there and do that, and have these washi tapes if she needs some extra colour to make that sign look prettier maybe. And yeah, so I think this is pretty ready to go. I might just do one of those foldies like this where you don't actually commit with tape, but you kind of close it up. I can't do it with one hand. But yeah, I think I'm going to do that. So I feel good that that's done now. And now on to the home packing. I'm a little embarrassed to show you this, but it's just the way it is right now. As I said, I was sick last week, that's my excuse. But the kids' room is where I'm going to start, because honestly that's where I feel the most stressed out about. I've still got to move some of their sizes around, and they're sharing a closet at the moment, so I've had to keep it minimalish. And we also have to pack everything up and pack a bag that's going to last us for a week before we actually move, because we've got kind of a week in between. But I'll show you the state of their room and closet. Oh, so embarrassed, but this is what it looks like right now. This is just the truth. So this bin is usually organised, but they've been playing and stuff, and that's, you know, that's what kids do. They play and then the toys go everywhere. So they're not here right now, and I'm just going to take the time to go through all of these toys and reorganise those. And then this is their closet. You can see I've already started packing and purging some things on the bottom here. And then I've pretty much gone through all of the sizes that they have here other than this top shelf here. I've got to do that one still. And this is swimwear, so I've got to go through this whole shelf, which I've kind of piled up with stuff as I've been working through it. So this is all done. This, if it focuses, you can see it. Yeah, the top rail is all done. This is all boxes to go to like Salvation Army and stuff. And then this I just recently did, and they always look a little bit more packed, because what I like to do with my kids' outfits is like create them an outfit for the day, even with like their underwear on the top and stuff, so that they can come in and like grab what it is that they are going to wear that day, and it just helps them to be a bit more independent with their getting dressed. So yeah, this is my main tackle right now, and I better do that, and then I'm going to go into the toys after that, I think, because we've got quite a lot of toys here and like the books and stuff. I guess I better get on with it. Okay, so I just wanted to show you the closet now that I've finished. So I picked out like 6 to 7 outfits for each one of the children, and then everything else is like gone into boxes, so I'm hoping that'll see us through until we go. But now I have to tackle this. I'm falling over toys while I'm filming it. Yeah, it's quite a mess, so I'm going to go through these bins next, I think.
Well, I'm all for Christmas, all the happy smiles and the wishes, and I want it all, from the lights to the mistletoe. Tell me one thing, is there anything that you're missing? I will keep you warm as soon as you remove that snow. Whatever we do, we will be alright. These holiday wonders will open your mind. May all your wishes tonight come true. The love I lived, the dream I knew. This Christmas I only wanna be close to